Are you ready to enter the recipient's details? If you have more than one item in your cart, you will be offered an option to send the gifts to multiple recipients. Please keep in mind that it is possible only if the recipients are located at the same address. If you need to send gifts to 2 or more recipients at different addresses, separate orders have to be created. First of all, please enter the name of your recipient. Then the desired delivery date. Usually we require 1 to 3 business days to deliver a gift, but the amount of time needed for delivery can vary depending on the location. The country of delivery is set automatically based on the country catalog you are using to place your order. Then enter the recipient's details such as the delivery location type, residential, business, hotel, etc., the delivery address, the recipient's phone number and email. Please keep in mind that we require a local phone number for the recipient in order to guarantee a smooth delivery. If you don't have the recipient's address, don't worry. Please choose the I don't have recipient's address tab, submit the recipient contact info, and our support team will verify the necessary delivery details with the recipient on your behalf. Please note that we require 1 to 3 business days, depending on the destination, to deliver your gift after we reach the recipient to obtain the delivery address. Regardless of whether you have the recipient's address or not, please make sure to specify the recipient's working local number or email address. This way our team will be able to contact your recipient for address validation or delivery verification. Then please enter your own contact details, your full name, the name of the company if you're ordering a corporate gift, your phone number and email address. Usually we update our customers on completed deliveries via email. However, upon your request, we can also notify you about it via SMS. Tick the box right under your personal phone number field and make sure to provide your mobile number including the country code. For example, for the US and Canada numbers, the number must start with 1, for France with 33. As soon as you filled in the delivery form, click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed to the next page where you can write your greeting card message and provide delivery instructions.